Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do a paint kiss, but first I wanted to show you a finished dried funnel pour. This had some purples, some golds, it had loads of colors, blues. But the gold really shines. It's not varnished yet. Still waiting on it for it to cure. I don't know if you can see the gold in there. Yes, I love this one. Love it. Let's see if we can get some focus. See the pretty gold. Yep, so that's that one. And this is a funnel pour I did the other day. So it was done with a bunch of earth tones. Not varnished yet. I love this part. Okay. So those are my two funnel pours. And yeah, so let's get started with a paint kiss. Okay, as I said, we're gonna do a paint kiss. I've done a few of them. I love the paint kiss. Check out Smart Art Materials. She is the one that kind of came up with the idea, or she did come up with the idea. I'll link below in the description. Check out her YouTube. I wanted to do another one because I'm talking now, so why not? Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I've prepped my board with just a white base, Floetrol and titanium white. I'm using my son's old slime pots. Okay. So we're gonna go in with some purple. So this is kind of the hot versus cold. I'm just kind of trying to layer the colors so they don't sink. Oh, there's a chunk. Don't like chunks. Not today. This has some blues. I mix my own shades again. It's just too expensive to be buying all the shades. Okay, so this is orange. Lots of orange in there. Hopefully it pops. This is a nice orange. I'll actually have this one. Let you know which one it is in the description. I like this cup for paint, these cups, slime pots for paint kisses, because they have lines, like rings, so you can evenly match up the cups with the same amount of paint. Okay, so we're gonna go in the tops of these with, what are we gonna do? We're gonna do black. Okay, so just a small squiggle of black. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good. Okay, so paint kiss, here we go. Enough time. So when I do the paint kiss, I don't breathe. I don't look at the canvas. I just look at the cups and make sure they're kissing. Get a bit of weight in there. Okay. So yes, don't look at the canvas, just focus on the kiss. And yes, I don't breathe, so. Okay, so I like to get the brights in there. You can never get out all the paint, so I'm doing this with my left hand, so fingers crossed. Catch the drip. Got it. Okay. See, there's still a bit of paint in there. But we'll use it. We'll use it. Not on this, on something else. Okay. Let's see. That's it. I think I'm gonna do. Well, let's just go for it. Okay. There, the purple's starting to come out. I'm getting some cells. No, I did not have any coconut hair serum in my mix. So that's just the Floetrol. Just nice and slow. Okay, I'm gonna finish this corner off. Don't really want to lose all that. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna pour a bit of black to help it move. Help it move a bit. Okay, and I need to get gloves. I'm just gonna put a little bit of black. Whoops. Just to get it moving. Excuse me, guys. Okay, just get that to tip over the edge. And now we're going to center this. Let's get that little bit. Okay, now we have to figure out where to put this. Okay, so you guys are probably gonna just say stop, stop, but I'm just gonna try something. I'm gonna try and get this to go off the edge and then trying to get some more of this purples and blues in there. Just trying to find a good composition because I don't know if I'm feeling it or not. Okay, we're gonna leave it and we're gonna throw the torch on it. Need a new torch. Okay. So it's all right. It's not too bad. I like the blues and the purples. I do like this bit. All right. So let me know what you guys think. Comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications when I upload a new video. Let me know what you want me to do next. Let me know if you like this. All the above if you don't like it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.